Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, can you call Navy Federal and get them to release a pending deposit 2 days early? Let's get right to it. The short answer is almost always no, and it's important to understand why. Many people see that pending transaction in their account and think the money is just sitting there, waiting for a button to be pushed. That's not quite how it works. When you see a pending deposit, it's not the actual money. It's a notification from the sender's bank, like your employer or the Social Security Administration, telling Navy Federal that a payment is scheduled to arrive on a specific date. Think of it like getting a shipping notification with a tracking number for a package. You know the package is on its way, but you don't have it in your hands yet. Navy Federal can't give you what they don't physically have. Now, Navy Federal is famous for its early direct deposit feature. They often make funds available 1 business day earlier than the official payday. This is a fantastic perk. They do this as a courtesy because they have received that reliable notification and are confident the funds will arrive. They are essentially fronting you the money for 24 hours based on that promise from the sender's bank. However, asking them to release it 2 days early is a different story. That's asking them to go beyond their established policy and take on a bigger risk. The entire electronic payment system, known as the ACH network, runs on schedules. Your employer sends the payroll file a couple of days in advance with instructions to pay you on, let's say, Friday. Navy Federal might see that instruction on Wednesday and post the money to your account on Thursday as part of their 1-day early benefit. Asking for it on Wednesday, 2 days early, is asking for the money before the system is even fully set up to process it and before Navy Federal's own risk assessment allows. Calling a customer service representative won't change this fundamental process. They don't have a magic button to override the national banking system's timeline. Their system is automated to release the funds according to their 1-day early policy. So, while you can't force a deposit to be released 2 days early, you can and should rely on their excellent policy of typically making it available 1 day ahead of schedule. Your best bet is to look at your past statements to see when your direct deposit usually hits and plan your budget around that reliable, 1-day early timeline. Thanks so much for watching. If this video cleared things up for you, please hit that like button. And for more straightforward financial tips and answers, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.